we did a quick trip back to the factory, obviously where all our FAST POWERSPORTS hulls are made. And yeah, thought we would take you on a quick tour of what's going on over there. You can see some GP1Rs, F16s, F1s all going through production. And yeah, we'll try and show you guys as much as possible. Obviously, there's a few different areas of the factory and processes that we aren't able to show for obvious reasons. But I'll try and show you guys as much as possible and try and give you a bit of a look behind the scenes, what actually goes into building some of these skis. So follow along. Hope you guys like it. And yeah, here we go. FAST POWERSPORTS Factory. Back in South Africa, doing a quick little factory visit, coming to look at some new products, some new updates, and yeah, have a look at our new factory facility. So yeah, got in late last night, about 30 hours of travel, just here for 2 days, and then heading back to the USA. So in and out, it's going to be good to see my guys. See everybody, and yeah, good time. Always good being back. Should be fun. Follow along, check it out. It's going to be good. See some cool manufacturing of our skis. So should be sick. With this being a hand lamination room, all our lamination rooms are set up with climate control. So they pump in a certain amount of fresh air and exhaust a certain amount of fresh air to get the fumes out of these rooms. But yeah, this is a climate controlled room, so it's kept at a certain temperature. So the lamination is always at a reliable, stable temperature. So you don't have any problems with hardening or stuff that takes too long to harden or too slow. You're not messed around by the weather anymore. And yeah, this is how it's all done. You know, big investment to get all these rooms set up like this. But this is the way to do it if you want to have a consistent lamination and you want a great quality product without any of the guessing. So yeah, we have this for hand lamination. We obviously have infusion. You can pick how you want your boats made. We know what works better. Obviously I get to ride all of them, so I know what I like. But yeah, we do offer all those different options, and yeah, give the riders the best options for what they're wanting to get out of their own ski. The waxing up a new mold, being ready to lay up another F16. So in the center of the shop, all the aluminum pieces, hood vents, just a lot of miscellaneous parts for building all the skis, all the exhaust pipes, cooling lines, a lot of small bits and pieces. This is one of the finishing departments. All the skis come here. You can carry on, it's good. So yeah, kind of come here, do all the polishing, all the finishing. So once the holes come out of the main part of the factory, this is where they come to. They come for finishing. So the guys obviously just go over the bottoms of the boats, make sure there's no little nicks, scratches, imperfections, and they'll sit here, get all of those little things touched up, buffed, and all that small finishing work before they move on to the next department. So the holes kind of come through the different stages, from obviously lamination in the lamination rooms, depending if you're doing infusion or hand layup, and whatever like layup schedule that you want. Then they will obviously get popped out the molds. They go to the trimming section. That's a pretty messy job. We got trimming booths with big like fan systems sucking out all that fiberglass dust and everything else. And then they go to engine mounts, joining, and then make their way here for all the small finishing. So yeah, a lot of different steps in building a hull, and yeah, it's really labor intensive, and yeah, there's a lot going on. It's not a simple job. There's lots of different steps to it. So yeah, you need a good team of guys. A lot of these guys here have been working originally for my parents in their big boat company, which was over 40 years. And nowadays just work building hulls for us. Yeah, same team of guys. Obviously it's been expanded over the years, but these are the same guys. A lot of the guys that are here are the same guys that actually started with the original boats even long before the GP1. GP1 obviously came later on. Then we took that GP1, we updated it to the GP1R. Now we have the F1 and now the F16s. So yeah, there's a lot of different products, and you know, for each ski that you build, you gotta build all the different components, the different noses, wings, ride plates, put all the aluminum into the boats to hold all these pieces on. Nowadays, the boats are way more intricate than they used to be back in the day. Back in the day, like when we first started, it was a hull, a deck, a hood, and a ride plate. Nowadays, you've got wings, noses, little cowlings that go around the base of the poles. Rear sponsons, everything's fitted into the holes. There's aluminum glass into all the boats to hold all these parts in place. Yeah, so there's a lot that goes into it. Yeah, these guys have a lot of experience, and yeah, proud to have them on board and part of our team. So yeah, it takes an army to make this happen, and yeah, got the right guys for the job. So this is a GP1R deck. This is the Gelcoat in the mold. So this is kind of probably the second step, you could say, to production on a top deck. So they'll go and wax this mold first, and then lay up the color, which is Gelcoat finish. So it's not painted, it's like actual Gelcoat. And then they're gonna lay up the fiberglass onto this Gelcoat. So when they pop it out the mold, it will be the opposite. So you'll get the color first, and then obviously the fiberglass. So this is kind of step one after polishing the mold to getting your new top deck or a GP1R. So here's a top deck that's just come out the mold. This is for an F16. This is what you get. So this has just come out the mold. So this would be like the next step after the fiberglass has been put into the mold, like what you just saw on that other orange GP1R. And yeah, when it pops out, you'll get this finish. Yeah, good looking ski. But yeah, new F16. What up, Jax? We're looking at some jet skis getting made. Which one's your favorite, Jackson? Which one? Blue one. So behind me you can see in all these brown boxes, this is these are all new skis packaged, ready to go out, and obviously, yeah, they get shipped all over the world. So yeah, a lot of them done, ready, and coming to a racetrack near you.